Hello, this is Harnath. In this video, we will learn how to write a Python program and how to run Python program. Here we will explain two methods for writing a Python program and running a Python program. The first one is using Notepad. Open Notepad like editor and type print welcome to the Python world in the Notepad and save the file with the extension py and open command prompt. Using Python command, we can run the program. Or we can use integrated development environment to writing a Python program and to running a Python program. Here we will use Visual Studio Code as an integrated development environment. To write a program in integrated development environment like Visual Studio Code, open Visual Studio Code and select new file from file menu and write print welcome to Python world and run this program by right clicking mouse and selecting run Python. We will get result welcome to the Python world. Here we will practically check how to run and write a program in Notepad and Visual Studio Code. Here we have opened Notepad. Just type print welcome to Python world. Save this file with the extension. For example, first.py. The file extension should be py and open command prompt. Here we will run with Python command space first.py. Here we will get the result welcome to Python world. If you add one more statement, for example print 10. So you will get result. Next we will learn how to write a Python program in Visual Studio Code and running the program in Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code. You can select open file from here or we can also select file from new file. Just type py. Here the system will ask create new file. Select this. For example, we will name it welcome dot py. Next, just write print to run this program. Just right click and select run Python. Run Python file in terminal. Here we will get a result in terminal. If I add one more statement, print right click and run Python. Here we will get a result.